Finding the courage to change, the secret to transformation. If I do what I've always done, I'll get what I've always gotten. The first time I heard this wise saying, I was startled. I could see the truth of that statement so clearly. My existing attitudes and beliefs had me on an emotional hamster wheel, running myself into despair and exhaustion, but never making any progress. It was suddenly obvious that I needed to do something different. But what? The 12 steps recommended that I start with love and gratitude. I think of them as the twin pillars that create the gate of transformation. A better life is just through this gate. If I use these tools, I will be transformed. My higher power is pure love given freely. It is unconditional love. No matter what I do, I stand in a stream of unlimited love and well-being. I can cut myself off from it, like we build a dike to hold back the ocean. But building a dike doesn't cause the ocean to disappear. I'm just able to ignore it for a little while. Gratitude helps me to connect with my higher power. When I practice gratitude, it's like removing a blindfold. The blindfold of despair and hopelessness keeps me stuck on the hamster wheel. I can't see the good things that I already have. When I start practicing gratitude, the blindfold is suddenly removed. Everything I see is transformed. There is so much good in my life and in this world. I suddenly can see the parade of good that's marching by. With love and gratitude, I can join the parade.